Market just opened. We had a gap up. I ain't even mentioned, but on the last video, but what is it? Oh, we got a short week. The market closed early, like Tuesday, at the Independence Week Friday. Wait. Yeah, Independence Week Friday. I was right. But let's see what we got cooking for today. Maybe some type of pullback long. Let's see. Alright, I got Apple loaded. I was looking at the video long, but still gonna have it in the chamber. Put that all my shit. Look like it just ejected off VWAP. Contracts on the video are down something crazy. I want to say they down probably like 10, 15. Want to see how Meta close? Maybe we can get. Let me feel on Meta up somewhere around VWAP, right above it. But it's going to that 200. And the video flushed that 200.
So 9:45 data. 1 minute until data here. PMI.
Damn, the box on this bitch is crazy. This shit hard as hell. Oh, let me pull up Meta. I want to see what Meta do.
Yeah. Yep, market tracking did it here. Chicago PMI 40.4 versus estimate 42.9.
I need to have data.
Market's holding demand. Market's trying here.
I do see a lot of green on SPY. Chicago PMI 40.4. Hold on, I gotta see this shit for myself. Let's see if
Meta's turning that 740 into resistance. Brad, what are your levels on Meta?
I want that Meta. This one retail chases. You're not gonna get a lot of value.
Yeah, those contracts. I was watching the calls on them, the 755 calls. Like I completely watched.
Yeah, you can't trade Meta. Like I mean, you can. It's just you're not gonna get like a great value.
I'm watching the video.
I just don't like that this is not clearing up my levels here. I should have already cleared that 616 at.
Watching the video, but the volume isn't there. Like it look good, but the volume not there. Let's see. I'm definitely still watching though. No trade.
Just keep that in mind. We're still holding for now. Our break even here.
Wow.
I think a lot of other names are still maintaining well. So
Guys, I got filled on Apple. I'm just gonna use 250 as my risk. Okay. My average is 146.
Bet. Niggas supposed to buy VWAP up, bro. What is niggas doing?
up 7% here in SPY. Okay. Pushing for us a little bit here. Take trims. Yeah. All right, guys. I just took some trims at 8%. Just to neat risk.
Bro, these contracts moving fucking ass. I'm sorry for the profanity, but what in the world?
Stop loss now 61640. Now I can feel much more confident and just sit in this with the proper trail stop.
I'm telling me I should have took
we got
fucking
in
video,
at the
bro.
exact right moment, so we can now effectively just use.
I should have taken the video, fam.
This green candle low 61640.
I'm sitting break even, and the stock going up.
Rich, but
I'm on Apple. Apple
now
calls.
cannot lose this trade basically. Let's see if we can get 617.
With a solid average.
617.
Okay, I guess. I'm up like
5% here, guys.
Okay, nah, they not moving trash. I don't know. Maybe I just haven't traded Apple in so long.
Apple too.
I can tell you the last time I traded Apple too.
Okay, I want to see it clear 20150. If it does that, we'll get a nice move into 202. And 202 breaks, we'll get a bigger movement.
Oh, last time I traded Apple was
no, market
618.
right now is, it just has to go.
It has to go. It should go. Market, everything's pointing to upside here.
7% now,
Okay.
guys.
Yo, my nigga, no way I'm up 5%, bro. No. How, bro? How? You can't tell me I'm up 5%, bro. How? all good,
You
bro.
can take trims if you want at 7%.
Did these contracts get eat up by
I'm
theta or
just
something?
gonna, keep holding and follow orders. If it stops me out, it stops me out. I'll accept it, but I'll keep holding.
I don't like this, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Size small, risk is small.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit can go, bro. I don't think I had the right contracts or something, bro. Let me see them. No, I had 202 calls. That's what? 202 calls. 3 days. Expiration July 20. Wait, what? Hold on. July the 3rd.
61640 is my stop on this SPY position. No, I'm gonna stay hold 61640. Right now we're still
I got out literally
about
1%. You might as well
1%.
just say break even. I ain't like
see this candle hold here.
how Raph said he was up 5%. And I was right at 5%. And then he said taking trims at 10%. And I'm over here still at 5%.
Have to break even here.
But I still have but I got right at the money. I got it at 202. So with a nice you feel me? With a nice average. So how the fuck? Taking trims at 8%. I never saw 8%. That's crazy. I ain't tripping though. Market is very range. Looking at Qs. Hopefully they go up. Come down. Test the zone again. Like a double bottom. And then go. But I ain't tripping. You probably got a better average than me. On to the next trade.
Prince, from a 2.39, my average is 2.37 on these calls, right? With 2.37 average, if contracts go to 2.55, it's about 9%, 8-9%. It's not a lot, but it is green. It just depends where you're getting filled at. Right now, they're at 2.47, so if you got in at 2.4, you're only up probably 2%. It just depends what your average is in this position. When I take an order on SPY or anything, I'm not just getting it filled with one order. I'm getting it filled probably 4 or 5 different orders. So my average is going to be something ballpark behind what I'm saying. So if I say my average is 2.39, it's probably anything between 2.35 and 2.45, right? The point is it just doesn't matter when I'm up or down. Just trade your own chart, trade your own levels. Right now, market's still holding. Everyone should still be green in this position. I'm up 8% now again, 9%. We still get shot down though here in SPY. We're still getting these shot down candles.
Very choppy. Very choppy. I'm looking at the video. It's holding that level. Just choppy. The squeeze will happen.
Yeah, it could be because of the video. It could be because of the video.
I mean, it's not strong.
I stopped out of Apple at 6% here. I'm all out. I'm stopping out here. I'm exiting. I'm all out.
Google.
We can re-enter if it gets above
Yeah.
201.50, but I don't want to mess out here.
I seen this kind of when it was green.
I want to keep it tight. Again, I'm all out.
Damn, I thought it was gonna go higher. Sight. Microsoft failed this level break. Look like the retest candle. Definitely a retest. I want to see what the next candle do.
What's going on here in SPY? Guys, I'm down 2% on this SPY position right now. I will sell if I see us push under 616.35. That's my trail stop. I just want to see this candle form a higher low here. You can see we are developing these good candles, so you know that's where our trail stop should
be. Executive orders on Monday related to it.
Obviously, I want to see more than
you don't have to double down on rate. We lost 5%.
Damn.
Instead, we'll try to get like 20%. That's it.
Connection.
Market's just taking too long, and I don't like that.
Yeah, that's what's
I'll
happening.
get out and then watch the transaction.
Yeah, I want to see more than 7 or 8% too on SPY, guys, but I can't control the market. I can just control where we're entering. I hope this continues for us, but we have to just use trail stops.
Yeah. The other reason is if we waited till 250, right now it's at 290, and for contracts probably around like 4 or 5%, you would be down potentially 15%. At least. And that's
lower highs on.
That's on a market day like this, 15% is a lot.
Wow. Yes, I know I can just click over, but why not type it, you know? Maybe they setting up for that long position. I ain't gonna lie. Shit look like Microsoft in my children. A little bit. I'm crying. Yeah, bro. I didn't put this shit on fucking pause. Well, again, sorry for the profanity. I just had to go get some cake. Alright, I ain't even know, but my
guys, I'm gonna give SPY another shot too. You don't have to, but I got filled back in the same position, the same average previous. 2.39 average again. I just took my fill, and I'm gonna use a stop loss under 616.2.
Redonomics. Anyway,
if you're agreeing the first trade and don't want to give back gains and just want to be easy today, you don't have to. But I just want to I just want to try it. So my average is average actually is 2.37 on this.
I was still mute. I don't even know how I was mute, but
2.37 on this.
see where this apple go again, man. Hopefully I get a 20%.
My stop is going to be under 616.18. That's that previous 1025 candle low, basically.
Same thing, we saw 6-7% up there. But that's just rejecting the 21 EMA area again. It has to go though, that's the thing. This is the kind of trades that you just want to keep it up of momentum. Just keeps doing that. Not a good trading day to go trade. We'll see. We'll just see this through.
Like 5% right now.
The risk should be about 5%, perhaps. Again, 280 is my stop.
So literally this
We're back to
candle
break even if you guys
is
can
low.
get filled.
Wait. Yeah, that's low.
You know what?
Let's see if this candle can keep momentum up here.
Bro, the move gonna come in like probably another hour. Cause it's a chop fest. Look at fucking, bro. Look at SPY. Look at SPY, bro.
Come on, SPY. Don't lose my candle low here. Hold this candle low.
Brett got in just to get in, bro. Let's be real.
Just really bad price action today on SPY.
Apple's folding. Come on, push.
This is what I'm not understanding. How am I
Down
down?
5% on SPY here. About to get stopped here under 616.2.
I ain't tripping. Come on.
Just really stupid price action today. Probably is the last trade I'm going to take. I get this exit here, 616.20. Has to hold.
I like that candle flip. Can we go higher?
Come on, hold here.
Can we go higher?
Alright, Apple's holding. We're still green here. This has to just go, guys. So our risk is very tight. This is a very 1 or 0 black and white kind of trade. So this has to just go.
I dig it though. You feel me? Okay. This may go.
Down 5% here. 6%. Alright guys, I sold SPY. I lost 7%. Just stupid price action. I may be asking for too much today. That's a little frustrating to be honest, because that's just so stupid. SPY's just like in this same range. And we're under that 550 on QQQ now.
Alright, 9%. I'm finna sell. One more tick down. I sold 10
I
something.
think it's the right exit though. It's the right exit. I'm happy with the exit.
SPY selling. I was down 10%.
Come on. We're down 1% here. Still holding. It just has to wake up and go here. Just
If that shit go, bro, that shit go, bro. It's just very interesting. It's very interesting. I ain't gonna lie.
It's the only setup that I like right now.
So what could be happening, in my opinion, is like it could just be that like 616 is a very obvious long spot for the market. They may just be trying to produce stops, get stops ticked, and then rip and find liquidity under 616. So I'm not gonna trade this right now. I'm just gonna let this stop out other longs, and then if I see it sharply,
Ain't gonna lie. I more than likely will be looking for like a long swing. Yeah, swing long, whatever how you want to say it. But I'm gonna put this shit on pause. And if I don't unpause it, it's the end of the fucking video. Straight like that.